So, right now, everyone is talking about the Strait of Hormuz, how one narrow sea route can decide global oil prices. But let me tell you something, Hormuz is the crisis of the moment. India's real long term strategy lies elsewhere, and that is the Strait of Malacca. Now, why is this important? Because this one narrow stretch of water connects the Indian Ocean to the Pacific and carries a massive chunk of global trade, including energy shipments, cargo, and especially Chinese trade moving in and out of East Asia. Around a quarter of global traded goods move through this very route. Which means if Hormuz is about oil panic today, Malacca is about long term geopolitical leverage. And here's where India comes in. If you have seen the map closely, our Andaman and Nicobar Islands sit almost like a watchtower over this route, especially the Great Nicobar Island. Now, this is exactly why the Great Nicobar project is so significant. A port, airport, shipment hub, and strategic infrastructure are being developed there. Now, we need to stop looking at it as just an economic project, but more like a maritime power move. Think about it. If the world is suddenly realizing how choke points like Hormuz can influence war and economy, then Malacca is India's silent strategic advantage. This is also what people often call China's Malacca dilemma, because so much of China's energy and shipping traffic passes through this route. Any instability here creates immediate strategic pressure. So while everyone is watching Iran and Hormuz, India is quietly building its position around Malacca.